Welcome back to Learning Fun Zone, the place where coding meets creativity. So, I'm Harshida and today we have something extra special for you as we ring in the new year with a dance party in Scratch. So, before we dive into the fun, let me give you a quick preview of what we will be creating. So, we will be coding these awesome dancing sprites that will grow to the beats and bring the party to life. But first things first, let's get started. We will set up our dance floor. So, let's get started. We have created a new project. So, I will click on the backdrop. So, you will see different backdrops in this. Alright. So, I can see this theater or spotlight. These are different backdrops you can use. So, for now, I will use this one. And let us delete our default cat sprite and let us find out if we get anything related to dancing. So here we have all our sprites and here we can see something related to dance. Okay, so here I have ballerina. I will take her over here. Let's add some more sprites. Click on dance. We'll take this and let us reduce the size a bit. I will reduce it to maybe 70. Alright, and let's add some more characters if you like. Go to dance, choose whatever characters you like. So I will take this one, we'll reduce it again, or let's reduce it to maybe 50. Okay, and let's go back. What else do you want? Okay, we will take this boy. Or do you want this champ? Okay, we'll take this one. Cool. And we will reduce it to 70. Let's reduce to 60 then. Oh, it's 600. Okay, 60. All right. I will just place it here. Just repositioning these, and let's reduce this one to maybe 50. All right. Now we want it to dance. Okay. So our sprites are ready and our backdrop is ready. So let us add some fun animation for dance. So let me click on the ballerina and we will go to the costumes, and here in the costumes we see 4 different costumes. Animation is just flipping these pictures quickly and it will feel as if it is moving. Okay, so let's get started with coding of ballerina dancing. So let us go to events and I will click on the green flag. I will increase the font a bit. Okay, and now we will add the forever loop. So in control we have forever loop and we will switch the costume to the next costume. Okay, so let's go to looks and we have this next costume block, and let's add some weight. So for weight we will go to control and we will add weight 1 second. We can add weight according to our choice. So here we can see it is moving but it is a bit slow. Okay, so you can just play around with it. I will change it maybe to 0.1 seconds. So this looks perfect, but you can play around. Try with 0.5 seconds, try with 0.1 second. So do whatever as per your liking. And so this is a perfect dance for ballerina. So we will check for all other sprites. Let us check this. You can see there are 4 costumes, and if they move in a fast manner, we will get the same results. So I will just take this one, duplicate this one, and we will add it to all other sprites. We have added the same code to all the sprites. Okay. Now let's try to run this. Awesome, isn't it? So everybody is dancing on the tunes. So did you like this dance? Of course, the dance party is incomplete without our fantastic music. So let us integrate some music and sound effects to our project to really get the party started. So get ready for a dance off like never before. So let me go again to green flag is clicked. We'll just increase the font a bit and we will go to sound and let's say play sound, dance around until done. Okay, so we will go to sounds and let's see what is this sound. So awesome music, right? So this is the default music that we are getting in Scratch itself. So let us try to run now. I will just increase the size and let's try to run. Awesome, isn't it fun? Now we can do one more customization. I will go to backdrops. Here we will see the backdrop. Okay, now we can add here something like Happy New Year. Okay, so it's a New Year party, so let me add here and we can change the text, image and the font over here. So let us take some nice red color and let us change some kind of text. Happy New Year, and this is a new year for 2024. So I am adding here 2024, and here you can see as I am making changes over here, the backdrop is changing over here. So it's quite easy. You can even change the color, and this is the eraser, this is the paintbrush, these are some lines. So you can do all these customization in this customizing backdrop. So for now I am changing only the title. So let's try now. Or so in this way we have customized the backdrop. Now we can add some code for customizing the backdrop color as well. So let's create that. I will add the when green flag is clicked. I will increase the font again. And let's try to add the forever loop over here. And now I will go to the looks and I see here one change the color effect by 25. So when I change the color effect of the backdrop, let us see what happens. So isn't it nice? Now but it's changing very fast. So let's try to add some weight. Okay, so it will look as if we have started the lighting. So beautiful, right? So if you want to change it with every 2 seconds, you can do that as well. Now let's try to run our code. So isn't it fun? Now it's a New Year Eve party dance in Scratch and you are also invited. Thanks for joining us on this exciting adventure. If you enjoyed creating a dance party in Scratch, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more coding fun and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Share your dancing sprites with us in the comments. We will really love to see your unique moves. Wishing you a very happy new year filled with creativity, joy, and of course, lots of dancing. Until next time, happy coding! See you soon!